Hi guys, this is Lady T with Design to a T. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I just wanted to jump on for a few moments to talk with you all, to let you know what's been going on. And it's been a while, but I just wanted to let you know that this kitchen series that I am starting, it has taken quite a bit of my time. Did not realize how much time was involved to, be able to organize just the kitchen alone. So I just wanted to share with you the series and what's to come up. And so far we have done the spice organization. If you have not seen that, I will have the link down in the description box below. Go and check it out. It really turned out well. I'm so pleased with how it turned out. On today, of course, we're going to be doing the refrigerator organization. And that took some time as well. Not as much as the spice organization, but it did take a little time to get it together. I just wanted to share with you the next phase, which is going to be either the pantry, and I actually have two pantries. One is a very small one, and then I have the large one, which is right up underneath my steps. And so that's going to be a project as well as organization. So that might be a two-parter. The next item I think I'm going to be working on for a video will be the appliance cleaning. They really need some cleaning right now, and I just want to share with you how I go about doing the appliance cleaning. And then also I have to write some stuff down, y'all, because I'll forget. But anyway, the next item will probably be the under sink organization. So I look forward to sharing all of these videos with you, and just wanted to let you know what was to come. And so if you happen to be new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And I would suggest that you subscribe, okay? So that you will see the upcoming videos and all of the content that I upload. And I'm excited to have the new subscribers that have joined us recently. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm so happy to have you here. And also for those that have been with me for a while, the faithful viewers, thank you for staying with me this far. I really appreciate you, and I enjoy sharing this information with you as well. So as we go along, I just want to remind you that please be safe and be healthy out here. This virus is not done and over with. I admonish you, please, to take care of yourselves. I truly pray for you all, always. I really do. And so thank you again for being a part of my family here on Design to a T. And if you did not know, my first name is Tanya. And so at some point, I just want to make sure that, my name is not just Lady T, but it is Tanya as well. So I really appreciate you guys. Thanks again for stopping by. And again, this is my kitchen series. And if you'd like to see how I rearranged my refrigerator, stay tuned. God bless. And guys, I just wanted to make sure that I mention that the focus on my refrigerator will be just the top part of the refrigerator and the drawer. So enjoy. So guys, you really don't know how dirty your refrigerator is until you pull everything out. I'm just going to show you just a little bit of what I need to clean. Gross, right? Well, I'll be cleaning that very soon. Okay guys, these are the products that I'll be using to store my items in the refrigerator. I ordered this from Amazon.com. I like this because it has a lid. I'm able to stack these items here, and so it takes up a little more real estate going upward. And here, of course, I have my egg storage container. and that was from Amazon.com as well. I will have all of the links listed in the description box, okay? And this item, of course, I love because you can just pull it out, and this has dividers. We like to do smoothies, and I love to eat fruit in the morning, and so I can put different types of fruit in this, or I can take it out and just store something large inside the whole container, okay? And this also has a lid as well. All right, and so the next item I love because they have the handles as well. These are small, and I can use these for the smaller items. I purchased those from Ross. These are simple function, okay? And these you can use in the freezer, which I really like, all right? And finally, I have my turntable for the items that I need to put on here, and extra containers. If I don't use these in my refrigerator, I will be using them in my pantry, which will be the next project, and that video will be coming out soon. And then I have my fridge and pantry can organizer. I love this because it has a lid, and I'm able to store some things on top of this. So these are the items that I'm going to be using. And let's see what happens. I'm so glad with how the refrigerator turned out. And to be quite honest, I still have quite a bit of room. I've pulled everything up forward so that, it would look pleasingly. But I actually have a lot of space toward the back of the refrigerator. Here I am pulling out the container that has the 3 dividers in it. In the back I don't have anything because I'm going to purchase some pineapple to put in there. And in this container, all of the watermelon that I had filled all 3 containers. And I did that purposely because I like to take just one divider out at a time so that I can, maybe give it to one of my grandbabies or I can have it as a snack. I have yet to purchase more vegetables to put in the drawer here below. And as you can see, I still have room there. And for the most part, when my grandchildren come over, they can just pull the drawer out, get what they need, and put it back. And so this is the completed work of the organized refrigerator.